Hey there, Mike Giannotti here for Copilot Snacks, and I've got a little treat for you. It's been one of my favorite things to show in the past, and it's gotten a big upgrade with Wave 2 of Copilot. So we're going to take a look at Copilot in PowerPoint and some of the new additions. And in the past, you could come in real easy. You open up PowerPoint, you could do things like, select the Copilot piece here. It'll open up on the side, and then it would let you go in and create and some different options here. It has, though, some new options like understand. There's one here for view prompts like we had in the past. View Copilot agents. What? You can add that. But there's other places too. We're just making this easier and easier to use. And we're doing much more. So we're going to do some cool things here. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to select Copilot. Notice I'm right in line, that initial slide. I'm in a blank, no template, nothing here. And I have the option create a presentation about or from a file, which I've demoed many times in the past, or ask Copilot something. I'm going to say create a presentation about, boom. And it gives me that initial prompt, created about. And I'm going to say proper hand washing techniques after treating, if I could type, treating a patient. And I'm going to say use the medical template. There we go. So I'm telling it what I want and how I want it to do it using this template. So I'm going to go ahead here. Let's enter that. And we kick back. And we can start to sing. And look, it's already cranking away. Proper hand washing techniques for healthcare professionals. It's looking at that information in with our network. If I had selected the Copilot agents, one of ours that we make enabled, and this is my production, is the web, so it could have gotten more information. But look, it's got importance of hand washing. It's kind of setting it up, when to wash, before and after. See, corrected me. Steps to proper hand washing duration and rinse, use of alcohol-based sanitizers. If I don't like any one of these as I mouse over it, look, I got the thumbs up, thumbs down, delete. I also, notice this, I get the hold to move. So I can change the order at any time. I like what's there. I'm going to say, you know what, go ahead, generate the slides based off of what's there. Now, that was the topics, but then notice all the information. Those were really bulleted points that it was making. So I'm going to get more slides than just those couple of things that we saw there. And here you can see it's going out. It's actually, there we go. It's generating the slides, the topics it's putting in for each one of those. I love this, right? This is real time, seeing how it's working. So it's going through, getting all that information, that data, creating my presentation, applying a design now, because I told it to use this particular template, and boom, now it's got all that here. So I could elect to keep it. I could give it some more information. I could delete that. I could, go ahead, thumbs up. I'm just going to say keep it. Love it. It's laid out here for me, but I might want to make some changes. So let's go ahead and look at the great job it's done. I want to have this shown in a normal view like I'm used to. There we go. We'll go back to the home here, and I can start to scroll through, and now I can come in. Notice I have the ability on each of these slides to take iterative actions, replace with presentation about, create a presentation file, summarize this presentation, ask Copilot. I have more options up here, and I'll show you in just a moment. But I'm going to scroll through. I'm going to say, that's all great, except I don't like that image. I want my own image. So let's delete that. And I'm going to open up Copilot. Notice how when I'm doing that, Designer is here as well. And Designer leverages Copilot. So I'm just going to come in here and say, add an image of a male nurse washing his hands at a sink in the emergency, am I spelling that right? Yeah, there we go, room. And or I could have said ER. Let's see how it handles that. Let's say in the ER. Boom. We'll go ahead and submit. Looking things over. It's pulling things together. Still working. We gotta wait. Now, if I scroll, let's scroll down here. There we go. I've got a series of images that I could leverage. Let's go ahead and say this one. Insert. Boom. There's my image. And, you know, if I didn't like that, of course, I've got other images. So click insert. There's another one. If we wanted this one, we could do insert. But you get the idea. It's just bringing all this stuff front and center for me now. Much richer experience in PowerPoint. And I just love it, right? So again, PowerPoint and doing presentations is one of those things that is very time consuming. But Wave 2, making it much easier. If you don't have this today, it will be rolling out and give you the ability to be able to do what you need to do, get things done much quicker. So with that, this is Mike Giannotti here for Copilot Snack, saying take a bite out of PowerPoint and Copilot. Have a great day. Take care, and as always, ciao.